Hello everyone, let's practice exercise 6.5 question number 1. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. If PQ is equal to 10 centimeter and PR is equal to 24 centimeter, find QR. So first let us draw a rough diagram as PQR is a triangle and it is right angled at P. As it is given in the question, this is the right angle at P. So the variable P at near the right angle, and we can write QR. Either QR like this or RQ also we can write. Then they have given the measurement that PQ is 10 centimeter. Then PR is 24 centimeter. Find QR. We have to find the length of QR. So we will take it as X. So these are the given informations. Now actually it is a right angle triangle. We have to find the missing length of the triangle. Okay, two sides are given. We have to find the third side. And also it is a right angle triangle. So we have to use Pythagoras theorem to find the missing angle. Okay, so what is the Pythagoras theorem? If you square and add these two sides, that is equal to the third side. Okay, now we have to square these two sides, that sum is equal to the third side. So let us add PQ square plus PR square, that is equal to QR square. Let us substitute the values. PQ means 10 centimeters. So 10 square plus PR is 24 square is equal to QR is X square. 10 square, 10 tens are 100. 24 square, 24 into 24 is 576 is equal to X power 2 is X square. If you add 100 plus 576, 676 is equal to X square. Now the X square, when you transpose X square, it becomes square root of 676 is equal to X. It is not a 2, it is power of 2, it's a square. When you transpose square, it becomes a square root. So we have to find square root for 676 by prime factorization method. I have done a prime factorization method for 676. So I get the product as 2 into 2, 13 into 13. So 2 into 2 is a one set of number. It's a pair of number. 13 into 13 also a pair of number. So from this pair you can take only single number. From this pair we can take only, that is 13. Okay, this is the way of finding square root. So 2 into 13 is 26. So the 676, the square root of 676 is 26. If you multiply 26 into 26, definitely you will get 676. So we can write this square root of 676 is 26. Therefore, the value of X, that is the length of QR. The length of QR is equal to 26 centimeter. Now we have found that the length of QR is 26 centimeter. Now let us see question number 2. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. If AB is 25 centimeter and AC is 7 centimeter, find BC. Now let us draw the diagram to understand in an easy way. This question they have right angled at C. So in this triangle, this is the right angle. So C have to be written in this place. So AB can be written either here or here. So AB, but C must be at the right angle. As per the given question, it is given information. AB is 25 centimeter. AB is 25 centimeter. AC is 7 centimeter. BC, we have to find the BC. Okay, so as it is a right angle triangle, definitely we have to use the Pythagoras theorem. So we have to use Pythagoras theorem. First listen the question. They have given AC and AB also. Okay, the missing length is CB. The base is missing, that we are going to find. Anyway, the formula is AC. As the previous question, they have given PQR. So we use PQR to write the Pythagoras theorem. But in this question, they have given ABC. Okay, what is Pythagoras theorem? If you add the two length, that is AC square plus CB square, that sum is equal to the third side, that is AB square. Okay, now let us write AC square plus CB square. Is this both are equal to AB square. Now let us substitute the values. AC square, AC is 7. So 7 square plus CB. CB is unknown value. So we will take it as X square is equal to AB. AB is 25 square. Let us simplify 7 square. 7 square means what? See, 7 square means 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. We can write 49 plus x into x power of 2 is x power 2 is equal to 25 whole square, that is 25 whole square means 25 multiplied by 25. It is 625. 25, 25, 625. See, it's look like a equation. See, we need to find value of x only. Okay, so x square is equal to 625. Now this 49 that we are going to transpose to the opposite side. So it became a minus 49. So let us subtract 625 minus 49 is 576. So as I said, when you transpose square to the opposite side, it become a square root. So for the 576, we have to find the prime factorization. So we had a prime factorization. These are the product we obtained from this. So this is a one pair. 2 into 2 is a one pair. And the second pair is 12 into 12. So from this pair, we can take a 2. From the second pair, we can take 12. So 2 12s are 24. So therefore, we come to know 576. The square root of 576 is 24. So if you multiply 24 into 24, definitely will get 576. So we can write x is equal to 24 centimeter. So just now only we have found the base of CB is 24 centimeter. Now we can see all the three sides. Okay, AC is 7, CB is 24. The CB or BC both are same, that is 24 centimeter. Let us see question number 3. Kindly understand the question. These are the real life application question. A 15-meter long ladder. See, this is the ladder. The length of the ladder is 15 meter. Reached a window. Okay, there is a window. It reached the window at 12 meter height from the ground. So from the ground till the end of the wall or the window is 12 meter. It against a wall at the distance A. Actually, we don't know the distance between the wall and the end of the ladder. We don't know the distance, so we can take it as A. We can take it as A because it's unknown value. Find the distance of the floor of the ladder from the wall. So we have to find the length of the the length between the wall and the ladder. First you understand the question. Now look at the diagram. It's look like a right angle triangle. The ladder, the ground and the wall, it's look like a right angle triangle. The same thing I have drawn as a triangle. See, the ladder is 15. We don't know the base. So next the length of the wall is 12 meter. It is look like a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle. So as well as same, we have to use a Pythagoras theorem to solve to find the missing length of a right angle triangle. Okay, the same thing, AB square. If you add the length AB square plus BC square, these two sides, the sum of square of two sides are equal to the third side. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That is what I have written here. First substitute the values now. AB square, what is AB here? AB means A. So write A square plus BC square. BC means 12 square. So 12 square is equal to AC square. AC means 15 square. So A square plus 12 square. 12 12s are 144. 15 square. 15 15s are 225. Next, A square is equal to 225 minus 144. If you transpose 144, it turns to minus 144. So 225 minus 144 is 81. So A square is equal to 81. So if you take square root, if you transpose square to the opposite side, it become a square root. A is equal to square root of 81. We know that the square root of 81 is 9 because 81 we can write 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81, right? So square root of 81 is 9 meter. So from that we come to know the length of the floor from the ladder to the wall is 9 meter. So the length from the ladder to the wall is 9 meter. So from that we come to know the length of the ladder is 15 meter, the height of the wall is 12 meter and the distance between the ladder and the wall is 9 meter.